Here I have Realme 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and then go to the watermark. So firstly you have to enable watermark, and here you can add custom text. For example, I don't know, you can add your name, you can add your tag or something like that. Okay. And now every photo you take will be marked with the watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.